These are the elevators at the Live Oak Corporate Center, Sarasota, Florida.
First floor going up.
Let's go to 5. Not sure what kind of fixtures these are.
Fifth floor.
That voice takes a while. Also, notice how the floor indicator, it drops 2 floors almost immediately, just like a Kone. Maybe this was installed by Kone, who knows? I'm sure if you look through the record of Florida elevators, you could find out. There's your certificate. And actually, we're gonna take a little...
First floor.
Yeah, you see, I didn't press any buttons. Now I will. We're gonna cut to when we get the elevator on the left. Here it is.
Going up.
Let's go 5. Same thing, floor indicator changes like immediately.
Fifth floor.
Wonder why the voice is so delayed. Here's your inspection certificate. Again, here are your fixtures. We might be stopping. No, I don't think we are. It feels slower than the other one, actually. I might be wrong about that, but...
First floor.
yeah. And that'll be it.